in addition to the Bar Mitzvah, which I was trained to do, like you would train a pet monkey if he could read, you don't know the Hebrew words, you memorize them, and you spit them out at the appropriate time. And I did that. I did the Haftorah and the Torah. And in an Orthodox synagogue, because only the Orthodox would take me because I wasn't a member of a synagogue. When the Folkshule, the principal taught me the Haftorah, the Torah, and I did it there. But I also we had a little party at my uncle's house for celebrate my Bar Mitzvah, and I gave a Yiddish speech. The entire speech was in Yiddish. And I remember quite a bit of it, but there's one part I want to give you. It says that basically, ich will danken mein Tata Mama für alles, was sie haben getan für mir, und überhaupt meine Mama für verstellen, ich soll gehen in Folkshule, Tag all 5 Tage a Woche. Jetzt bin ich able, jetzt kann ich reden so arg in die jiddische Sprache. De Sprache in welch Millionen jiddische Dichters, Schriftstellers und Führers von unser Volk drücken aus ihre Gedanken und Gefühle und rechnen und berechnen unsere Kultur. And that was true. That was exactly what Yiddish was. It was a way of communicating. And you got to remember too, in those days, this was well, not by much, but my Bar Mitzvah was in May of 1948. Israel was in May of 1948. But I beat them by a week, I think. But the fact was, Yiddish was still the language of the Jewish people, not Hebrew. And Hebrew took over and whatever. But the one time I was a couple of times, we've been in Israel, but once I went to Mia Sharim, and I fit in very well. They only spoke Yiddish. They wouldn't speak Hebrew. But at the time, certainly in the 30s, 40s, 50s, the majority of the work in Yiddish culture was in Yiddish, not in Hebrew.